Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the multi-view feature on the FUBO TV Sports app, available exclusively on Apple TV. Now, first, you need an Apple TV device to make sure you have FUBO TV set up, and once that's done, you're ready to go. Now, with multi-view, you can watch up to 4 live channels at the same time on one screen. And so, to activate multi-view, use the Apple TV remote. Simply scroll up and on the trackpad to get started. Now pick the first channel, right, and press and hold the touchpad to open options menu and select watch in multi-view. That's how you can do it from the menu. And then swipe left or right to highlight the second channel and click on the touchpad to select the channel. So from the menu. And another way is from live TV, like you can swipe up to view more live channels, swipe left or right to highlight the second channel and to watch, then press and hold the touchpad to watch in multi-view. And if you want to add more channels, simply swipe down on the remote trackpad to view additional channels and swipe left or right to highlight an additional channel and click the touchpad to select the channel. And you can also adjust the channels easily, like you can remove a view, press and hold the trackpad so select remove it. And you can also pick the audio, like if you want to hear from this one, just simply go there and select it. And if you want to make a channel bigger, highlight and select one of the smaller channels to swap it with the larger window. And if you want to know how to exit multi-view, simply press menu on your Apple TV remote and then select exit multi-view. It's very user-friendly interface and you'll be taken to the full screen view of the channel that was highlighted when exiting multi-view. And if you change your mind and want to stay in multi-view, select cancel. And that's all about it. Multiview in FuboTV is perfect for watching multiple games or events at once. Just remember, this feature is only available on Apple TV devices. Alright? So, if you don't have an Apple TV, go buy one. It's really the best TV setup out there. Alright? And that's it.